If you're a lawyer, business owner, law firm, or individual who wants to get verified legal answers, review any contract, search millions of cases, and generate custom agreements instantly, I'll advise you to stop using generic AI for legal work. In this video, I'll show you the #1 AI legal assistant for your everyday legal issues. This AI tool is called LegesGPT. It is your all-in-one legal companion which helps you with everything you need for efficient legal work in one powerful platform. It is trusted by over 15,000 legal professionals worldwide and has processed over 2 million legal queries. Don't forget, this is Ray Creators Lab, where we bring you all the latest AI tools for your daily workflow. If you like what we do here, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more content like this. Now, let me show you more about LegesGPT and how you can use it for your legal work. To get started, just follow the link in the description of this video. It will bring you to LegesGPT website. Next, click on Start Free with Google, Try for free now, or Get Started. Once you are on your dashboard, upload your case files and legal documents and start asking questions. Then, you will get instant summaries, explanations, and legal arguments. If you are looking for precedents similar to your matter, use LegesGPT's case law search engine to strengthen your legal strategy with relevant authorities. Remember I said earlier that LegesGPT is your all-in-one legal partner. So what does it help you to do? First, it serves as your AI legal chatbot. Second, it helps with your case law research. And finally, it helps you to carry out document review. Now, let's see how LegesGPT provides superior insights compared to general-purpose AI chatbots. The information provided by standard AI chatbots usually lacks deep legal nuance. They struggle with specific jurisdictional rules. They can provide inaccurate or unverified information. They lack specific legal citations and references. And finally, the knowledge potentially are outdated due to training data cutoffs. On the other hand, LegesGPT has specialized legal knowledge base. It has a tailored analysis for specific jurisdictions. It provides accurate, structured arguments with logical conclusions. LegesGPT delivers precise citations and references to verifiable legal sources, and finally, it has access to the latest published legal articles and real-time web search. Now, you may be wondering, who is LegesGPT made for? Well, it is designed for legal professionals, business owners, law firms, and individuals. Let me also remind you that LegesGPT is powered by the world's most comprehensive legal database. So you have access to millions of legal documents, cases, and statutes from multiple jurisdictions. You can access over 500,000 legal cases, over 100,000 statutes and codes, more than 250,000 legal articles in more than 75 practice areas. LegesGPT offers 3 simple plans designed to match your legal research needs. The basic plan, at just $13.99 per month, gives you advanced AI model access, unlimited queries, and up-to-date legal data, perfect for individual users who want powerful tools on a budget. Step up to the Plus plan for $34.99 per month, our most recommended option. You'll unlock document upload, image upload, and up to 50 monthly document reviews, along with priority support. And for professionals who want it all, the premium plan at $69.99 per month delivers unlimited document reviews, web search access, the deep research model, and full priority support. No matter the plan, LegesGPT gives you reliable, AI-powered legal insights, fast, accurate, and built for everyone. Are you ready to revolutionize your legal workflow? Start your free trial today and experience the power of AI-driven legal assistance. Click the link in the description below to get started. Your smarter legal workflow begins now. Thanks for watching this review of LegesGPT. I hope this breakdown helped you understand how powerful this tool can be for legal research, drafting, and document analysis. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future reviews and tutorials. And remember, if you're ready to try LegesGPT for yourself, the link is waiting for you in the description below.